Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's webinar. My name is Lauren. I'm the Key Account Manager at Hongdian Technologies. It's great to have you with us today. Together with my colleagues, Havertz, our field application engineer, and we will be introducing Connecting the Future of Technology with Hongdian Industrial IoT. Today, we will explore how Hongdian's IoT solution help build smarter, more connected, and more efficient energy systems. So let's get started. Here is today's agenda. We'll start with a brief introduction to Hongdian and then discuss industrial challenges and our solution architecture, application scenarios, and success stories. And finally, we'll talk about our IoT management platform, Sandora Platform. Just a moment. And let's begin with Hongdian. So Hongdian was founded in 1997, and it has nearly 30 years of experiences in the IoT development and research. We operate from our 54,000 square meter self-owned facility with over 50% of our employees dedicated in R&D, driving continuous innovation. So with more than 10 million devices deployed worldwide, Hongdian is trusted by over 30,000 clients in more than 100 countries, delivering reliable IoT solutions across various industries. And let's take a look at Hongdian's key milestones. As I mentioned before, we were founded in 1997. So Hongdian started as a pioneer in the machine-to-machine industry. In 2002, we developed China's first GPRS DTU modem, which we also own the trademark, and began expanding into global markets. So from 2009, we accelerated our IoT businesses development, building cloud platform and enter markets such as smart water, smart vehicles, and more global areas. And since 2019, Hongdian has entered the 5G plus AIoT era, launching innovative industrial IoT solutions and continuing to support digital transformation worldwide. And strong R&D capability is also the key foundation of Hongdian's innovation. So with over 200 R&D engineers and dedicated R&D centers in Shenzhen and Wuhan, we have strong expertise in hardware, software, cloud platforms, and advanced technologies. By investing more than 50% of our annual revenue into R&D, we continue to develop reliable and future-ready IoT solutions for our customers. Besides R&D, Hongdian also has strong manufacturing capabilities. So we have our wholly owned factory, which has an annual production capacity of 1 million units, ensuring stable production and reliable delivery for global customers. With strict manufacturing processes and certifications includes ISO 901, ISO 1401, ISO 4501, and ISO 2701. We are committed to maintain high standards of quality, security, and operational excellence. And we have also built a global presence to better support customers worldwide with overseas branches in regions including the US, France, Singapore, and Indonesia, as well as a wide network of distributors across the world. We are able to provide local support and faster response to our customers. And now let's move to our second part, industrial challenges and customer needs. So these are the common challenges we see in the energy and power industry. First, devices are often deployed in remote and harsh environments, making maintenance challenging. At the same time, unstable connectivity, high maintenance costs, cybersecurity risks, and different equipment protocols create additional difficulties to operators. So these challenges highlight the need for more reliable, secure, and intelligent IoT solutions. So based on these challenges, energy and power customers are looking for several key capabilities. First, they need industrial-grade reliability to ensure stable operation in harsh environments. Second, fast and reliable connectivity is also essential for real-time data transmission. And they also need remote and centralized management to monitor devices, troubleshoot issues, and reduce on-site maintenance. Security is also another key requirements, including VPN, private APN, and encrypted communication. And finally, multi-protocol support is needed to integrate different devices with SCADA, EMS, and cloud systems. So after understanding the challenges and customer needs, let's move to how Hongdian addresses them. In this section, we'll introduce our IoT solution architecture and how it enables reliable, secure, and intelligent energy connectivity. So this is Hongdian's IoT solution architecture for the energy industry. At the bottom layer are sensors and terminals which collect data from different energy devices. And here is the connectivity layer, which provides reliable communication through our industrial routers, edge gateways, and AI box solutions. On top of that is our Sandora platform. It enables centralized device management, connectivity management, and application enablement. And finally, these capabilities support various energy applications, including smart grid, renewable energy, and EV charging, and more. So based on this architecture, Hongdian provides a comprehensive range of IoT products. Our portfolio covers 4G and 5G industrial routers, edge gateways, and AI box solutions, providing flexible options for different application scenarios. Beyond hardware, Hongdian also provides a full lifecycle IoT management platform, which is our Sandora cloud platform. So it includes three key capabilities. Device management platform for centralized monitoring and device management, and also connectivity management for network orchestration, monitor, and remote maintenance. And also the application enablement platform. It's for integrating the device capabilities and accelerating application development. So together, Sandora helps our customers manage and scale their industrial IoT systems more efficiently. Now that we have introduced our solution and platform, let's move to the application scenarios and successful cases. In this section, we'll show you how Hongdian's IoT solutions are applied in real-world energy scenarios. So our IoT solutions support a wide range of energy applications. We provide reliable connectivity for new energy generations, including solar and wind power, as well as distributed and storage systems. And our solution also supports EV charging infrastructure, smart grids, and digital O&M scenarios with technology such as AI monitoring and inspection systems. So through these applications, we help the energy operator achieve smarter management and more efficient operations. So let's take a look at one real application case, public EV charging network connectivity. We cooperate with Uber China for this case. They operate a large-scale EV charging network with many stations located in remote areas, high service areas, and scattered commercial sites. So the main challenge was that traditional wired connectivity was costly and time-consuming to deploy, while remote stations were difficult to monitor and maintain. Therefore, the customer needed a flexible and cost-effective connectivity solution for centralized management of charging networks. To address these challenges, Hongdian provided an end-to-end connectivity solutions. We deploy our H8952 4G Wi-Fi routers for each charging pile, enabling fast and plug-and-play installation without costly cabling. So here is the router. With reducing failover, the solution enables stable connectivity and reliable data transmission, while support remote monitoring, OTA updates, and fault diagnosis through the Sandora Cloud Platform. And the key advantages includes easy deployment, high reliability, and efficient remote O&M for large-scale EV charging networks. And let's take a look at another application case, distributed PV remote monitoring. This project was for a leading Japanese energy service provider with more than 10,000 distributed solar sites across Japan, including many remote island locations. And the main challenges were difficult network deployment, harsh environment conditions, and high maintenance costs caused by distributed sites. The customer needed a reliable and scalable solution to replace manual inspection and with centralized remote monitoring. So for this project, Hongdian deployed more than 50,000 H8952 4G industrial router to connect the PV inverters, collectors, and electricity meters across the distributed sites. The solution enables real-time collection of the power generation data and equipment status, ensuring reliable connectivity even in harsh island environments through its anti-corrosion industrial design. And with zero touch provisioning and the Sandora Cloud Platform, the customer could remotely monitor devices, perform remote reset, analyze energy yields, and monitor large-scale deployments efficiently. And this could significantly reduces manual maintenance efforts and improves overall operational efficiency. Here's another application scenario, the off-grid PV and energy storage remote monitoring. So in remote areas without access to traditional power infrastructure, PV and battery energy storage system becomes the key power supply solution. However, these sites are often widely distributed and difficult to maintain, leading to harsh O&M costs, delayed fault response, and limited visibility of system performance. Therefore, customers need a reliable solution to remotely monitor, manage, and optimize their PV and energy storage system. So to address these challenges, Hongdian has provided a remote monitoring solution for off-grid PV and energy storage system. So we provide this device, H8820, the 5G industrial gateway, to collect data from the inverters, the energy storage systems, and the sensors, and upload it to the cloud in real time. With built-in edge intelligence, it could automatically respond to the local conditions such as triggering cooling when temperatures exceeding thresholds. And combining with the GPS positioning and visualized platform, customer could remotely monitor distributed sites, quickly located device, and improve O&M efficiency. And for this case, the project is about smart energy storage system for one customer. The energy storage facilities must at least 10% of new energy capacity, and storage must last for more than 2 hours. And each containerized storage system have intelligent devices like DPC, BMS, and PCS. So to manage these systems well, we need a way to monitor and control them remotely and quickly. But they are facing several challenges, like there are many storage facilities, so manual check are very slow and very hard. And devices like PDC, BMS, PCS are spread out, making it hard to manage them together. And connecting storage systems to the grid needs fast, real-time control for safe and stable operation. So for this case, we help the customer manage energy storage system remotely and efficiently by using our H8820 5G gateway. It connects the storage devices to the cloud, and this allows real-time monitoring of the system. And the operators can send commands remotely, and the system can also control the grid connection switches automatically. So with this solution, all the storage systems can be managed in one place, making operations safer and more efficient. And for this Ringmain RMU unit project, we work with customer in Saudi Arabia. So this project focuses on upgrading the communication systems of Ringmain units, or called RMUs. In the past, the RMUs are connected to SCADA system using fiber optic cables, but fibers have many problems. It is difficult to install. You need to dig the road or lay conduits, and the installations takes a long time. The maintenance is very expensive, and it is hard to find the fault when the fiber is damaged. So starting in 2018, many utilities moved from the fiber to 4G wireless, which reduces the installation time and overall costs. So when customer contacts us, we provide the H922S industrial gateway or industrial routers. It gives the RMU secure 4G connection, so the devices can send data and can be controlled remotely. And the H8922S connects to the RMU or PLC using simple serial port RS485, and it connects important information like device status, alarms, and measurement, and it supports secure connection with 4G private network, APN, and VPN. And all data is sent to the control center in real time. The engineers can log in remotely to configure devices, check problems, or update settings, which reduces visits to sites. And let's move to another project. This project is for a Guatemala Electricity Utility and CLP, which is China Light and Power in Hong Kong. It is about remote reading and monitor of the three-phase smart meters. So meters from Itron and Landis plus GYL, it's a very well-known international brand. So before this project, meters were in many places, homes, street cabinets, and factories. And manual reading was slow, expensive, and often had mistakes. So since 2017, 2018, around that period of time, so the utilities replaced manual reading and old GPRS modems with our Hongdian H8952 industrial routers. Now, over 10 million units were deployed, running reliably and stably. So our solution, based on this 4G cellular router, it connects with smart meter through serial ports, RS485, PLC, or Ethernet, connecting and transmitting meter data to the utility control center through the operator network or private APM. With the plug-and-play design, it enables quick deployment even in areas without existing wired networks. And the key advantages of our solution includes proven capability with the leading smart meter system, and we have the secure data transmitting through private APN networks or VPN encryption, and it is industrial grade reliability for stable operation in harsh environments. And another project is for the Vietnam electricity, the national utility of Vietnam. With rapid industrial and urban deployment, the EVN, the customer, needs to improve the grid reliability and enable more efficient remote operations. So our solution focuses on the reclosers, which are automatically switches used in the medium voltage networks. They help detect faults, restore power quickly, and reduce the outage time. However, the EVN faces several challenges. The manual inspection were time consuming and costly, and these reclosers could not be remotely controlled. And it is lack of the real-time data made the grid monitoring very difficult. Therefore, we offer them our X1 gateway. It helps the EVN achieve remote monitoring and control of the recloser. So it connects directly to the recloser and collects field data and converts it into the required format for the control center. So through 4G connectivity, the engineers can monitor and control recloser remotely without the need for fiber deployment or on-site visits. And all the communication are secure and reliable. And the key product highlights include, supporting for major power protocols, including IEC 104, IEC 101, and DNP3. And it has built-in data conversion, without additional equipment. And it's industrial grade design for harsh environment. And it has dual SIM and auto recovery to ensure stable connectivity. Now I'd like to share something interesting. It's a real-time project example to show how our solution with the China 1000 power grid works. So as the substation becomes more complex, the number of devices increase, making manual inspection slow and inefficient. And the substation carries around 20% of the city power load, and improving inspection efficiency was very critical. But it also have many challenges. The manual inspection could not provide real-time equipment status, and the paper-based recording was very inefficient, and the HD video and equipment data requires a fast and more reliable low latency network. Therefore, we provide them with the H8820 5G gateway to support intelligent inspection robots. The robots can automatically identify switch status, indicator lights, and meter reading, replace manual inspections. With our gateway, the HD video and equipment data are transmitted to the control center in real time with very low latency. And the inspection process was reduced from 3 days to just 1 hour, so it has improved a lot and significantly improving efficiency for sure. The H8820 provides high bandwidth, low latency, and reliable connectivity, enabling remote monitoring and improved safety and reducing operational costs. So this is all of our application scenarios and success cases. We have highlighted some typical cases for you. And now we'll move to our Sandora platform demonstration. I'll hand over to my colleague Havertz, who will show you the platform demo. So let me share, Havertz, maybe you could share your screen.
Hello everyone, I'm Havertz, and today I will introduce our SD-WAN solution and demonstrate its core capabilities. And before we look at this topology, let me first introduce our Sandora SD-WAN. In the energy industry, there are typically many remote sites such as substations, energy storage stations, EV charging stations, and many more. And these sites are spread out across different regions and often run on complex networks, and making traditional VPN deployment and maintenance both time-consuming and costly. And with Sandora SD-WAN, this challenge can be addressed effectively. And our Sandora SD-WAN solution mainly solves three key problems: zero-touch deployment, reliable network connectivity, and seamless end-to-end connectivity. And now let me demonstrate these capabilities on Sandora. Let's come back to this SD-WAN network topology. On the left is the user, and on the network, it can be the network administrator, and in this demo, that's my laptop. And in the middle is SD-WAN node, which is responsible for authentication and internal establishment. And in the right are the Hongdian devices. Since my laptop and the router from same SD-WAN network, and they can communicate with each other securely. And from my laptop, I can directly access the Hongdian router. And more importantly, I can also access the device behind those routers. For example, I enter the IP address of this router into my browser, the Havertz H8922S. Just input this IP address. And as you can see, we have successfully accessed its web UI. And in addition, this router is connected to an IP camera. And since I have already configured port forwarding, I only need to append the corresponding port number to the IP address, and you can access the camera remotely. And of course, this doesn't only apply to the IP camera, and the same approach can be used to access your PLCs, RTUs, EV charging piles, smart meters, and other industrial devices. Okay, the above is the demonstration of our SD-WAN function. And finally, I'd like to mention one more feature. Sandora also provides open AIs for third-party integration. And with these APIs, you can integrate Sandora directly with your existing like SCADA, EMS, or other management systems. You can access device status, alarms, network information, GPS location, and other operational data, enabling you to develop customized applications and improve operational efficiency. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you, everyone.